FileFolder AI is one of the newest AI tools on the market, and in this review, I'll be breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know before you decide whether it's the right fit for you. Stay tuned because by the end, you'll know everything you need to make an informed decision. And if you're curious, you can try FileFolder AI completely free. Just click the first link in the description below to get started. Now let's dive in. First off, FileFolder AI is a powerful file organization and management tool designed to make your life easier. It uses cutting-edge AI to help you categorize and find documents, files, and other data faster and more efficiently than ever before. If you've ever struggled to keep your digital files in order, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. One of the biggest advantages of FileFolder AI is its ease of use. Even if you're not super tech-savvy, the user interface is intuitive and simple. You don't need to be an AI expert to navigate through it, and that's a huge plus. Whether you're working from home or managing a small business, this software can save you hours of time spent searching for files. Another feature that sets FileFolder AI apart is its automated categorization. The software uses machine learning algorithms to automatically tag and sort your documents based on their content. No more manually organizing hundreds of files. FileFolder AI does it for you, and it gets smarter over time. This feature can be incredibly helpful for people who have large volumes of data they need to sort through. Speaking of smart technology, FileFolder AI also offers advanced search capabilities. You can search for a document by keywords, file type, or even content within the file itself. The AI is designed to understand the context of your queries, making your searches more accurate and efficient. This is a game changer if you're dealing with lots of documents and need to find something quickly. But here's where FileFolder AI really stands out. It's fully cloud-based. This means that you don't have to worry about local storage limitations or syncing between devices. Your files are stored securely in the cloud, and you can access them from anywhere at any time. Whether you're on your laptop, smartphone, or tablet, FileFolder AI ensures that your files are always at your fingertips. Additionally, FileFolder AI provides robust security features to keep your data safe. With features like end-to-end encryption and multi-factor authentication, you can be sure your sensitive files are protected. This is especially important if you're working with confidential information or running a business that deals with personal data. FileFolder AI is also built for collaboration. If you're part of a team, this software allows multiple users to access and edit files in real time, making it easier to work together on projects. Whether you're collaborating on a report, a presentation, or any other type of document, you'll find that FileFolder AI simplifies the process. And finally, the pricing. While many AI tools can be expensive, FileFolder AI offers great value for money. You can start using the software for free, and the paid plans are reasonably priced considering the powerful features you're getting. If you're interested in trying FileFolder AI for yourself, remember, you can use it for free from the first link in the description below. And after testing thousands of AI tools, I've included my recommended software in the description as well. Don't miss out on the opportunity to streamline your workflow with one of the best just released AI tools on the market today. Give it a shot and let me know what you think.